So multinational companies in Pakistan are just not investors, they're centers of excellence. As a country, we must benefit from various areas of excellence that they have. So global best practices, technology transfers and skills development, human capital development, climate resilience and ESG compliance, leadership training, diversity and inclusion, and tapping global financial resources. OICCI is fully committed to this value-added engagement as a trusted partner in Pakistan's sustainable growth. We are ready to work with the government both on policy and execution level, with positive engagement on export diversification. That has been a priority. Some of our companies have already started exports, but we are trying to encourage others as well. Technology-led investments, global service hubs, and I can see Saqib somewhere. He is leading that initiative in OICCI, representing SAP. So ESG aligned sustainable manufacturing, climate resilience, digital economy ecosystems, and skill set development, IPR protection, and diversity inclusion. Clearly, this is Pakistan's decisive decade. We will not be judged by our challenges. Every country has them. We will be judged by our choices and, more importantly, our timing. Let us try to get out of the managing crisis mode. Let us start designing the future for this resource-rich country. We have everything. We just need to collaborate, we just need to plan, and we just need to have a sustainable and medium-term, or rather long-term, economic policy. Let us stop explaining what Pakistan could have been. Let us show the world what Pakistan will become, inshallah. We need to act as one nation, acting in cohesion for performance with global partnerships. We must not embark upon a short-term, myopic vision, but plan, execute, and endure for a definite, brighter future for our country. Thank you again. Pakistan Zindabad.